last class, we seen how write the prefix in an organic compound containing substituent. Let's write the entire name of an organic compound. So keep in mind the root word 1 for meth, 2 shows earth, 3 for prop, 4 for build, 5 for pent, so on. That 6 is hex, 7 is hept, 8 is oct, 9 is non, 10 is deck. Okay, if we have one carbon atom, that means meth. If we have in a carbon chain 2 carbon atom, that is eth. If 3 carbon atom, that is proof, so on, up to upwards. Okay, next, when we naming the carbon compound, how we can naming? So by naming any organic compound, we have 3 parts, that is prefix, root word and suffix. First, prefix. This is the name of substituent present in compound. Second, root word. Root word, it comes from the number of carbon atom present in a largest carbon chain. Last one is suffix. What is suffix? It is single covalent bond throughout a carbon compound. So we can use here the prefix, root word and suffix for written the entire name of a carbon compound. Let's take an example. In this example, we get a longest carbon chain, and if we start count from right, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon chain. If we start count from right, the lowest to be substituent is chloro. It placed on second position and bromo placed on third position. Okay, so by the first rule, the lowest number of substituent is chloro, so that we can write here 2 chloro, 3 bromo. But by the second rule, substituent are always arranged by alphabetically, so that B comes before C. So this is wrong. So we have to write here 3 bromo, 2 chloro. Next, already complete our prefix here. This is the prefix and root word. Now we have to find out how many carbon atoms in this longest carbon chain. There are 5 numbers of carbon atom. For the 5, this is pent. So we can write here the root word is pent. Okay, but we left one, that is suffix. That suffix, if it is the single covalent bond throughout. See here already single covalent bond is here in this carbon chain. So throughout the carbon chain, single covalent bond, so that the suffix is ane. This is alkene. So the entire name is 3 bromo, 2 chloro, pentane. So pent, this is root word. This is suffix and this is prefix. Okay, we take another example. In this carbon compound, if we start count from right, the substituent is placed on 1, 2, 3 position. If we start count from right hand side, the substituent is placed on 2 and 3 position. Okay. So by the first rule, lowest number to the substituent we can count here. So lowest number is substituent is here chloro and methyl. So that we can write here 2 chloro, 2 methyl, 3 bromo. Okay. But this is not right. This is wrong. According to the second rule, the substituent are always arranged in alphabetical manner. So that C, B, bromo, and methyl is also here. Methyl also here. But in second place, both chloro and methyl are placed in second position. And bromo, B comes before C, also comes before M. So that we can write here 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 methyl. This is the prefix. We can complete it for this carbon chain, the prefix. Next, we look to the root word. And what is root word? It comes from the number of carbon atom present in the largest carbon chain. So how many carbon atoms is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 for pent. So the root word is here pent. Next, left on suffix. So what is the suffix here? We show here the all the carbon chain is single bond, throughout single bond, so that for single bond the suffix is ANE. Here 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 methyl is prefix, pent is root word, N is suffix. So entire name of this compound is 2 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 methyl pentane. Let's take another example. In this longest carbon chain, if we start count from left hand side, the substituent is placed on third position. If we start count from right hand side, the substituent is at second position. Chloro is at second position. So by the first rule, lowest number to the substituent is applicable, so that we can write here 2 chloro, 3 dimethyl, 3 dimethyl. Here this is the prefix. But the prefix is right or wrong for second rule. What is the second rule? The second rule, substituents are always arranged in alphabetical manner. So C comes before M, not D. Always substituent name methyl. So C comes before methyl, so that the prefix is correct here. Right prefix, we already write down right prefix. And next, we show the root word. What is the root word here? Keep in mind, how many carbon atoms are in this chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 for pent. So that the root word is pent. Okay. Next, last one, we have to find out the suffix. What is the suffix? It is single covalent bond throughout in this carbon chain, so that the suffix is alkane, that is ANE suffix. Otherwise, the single bond is known as alkane. So the entire name of this compound is 2-chloro 3,3-dimethyl pentane. Okay, thank you.